Okay, now we're going to go ahead and try mixing up all of the problems together. But before we do that, I would really like to identify what's the base number, what's the rate, and what's the new number. The rate is the easiest to find. It's the only thing with percentage. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to find everything with a percentage and mark that as my rate. So this is my rate, 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 and this is my rate. Okay, now we need to figure out which is the new and which is the base number. So the base number we're going to go ahead and leave in green and the new number will be in black. 75 is, because this is the word is, we know that that will be our new number. So what we're looking for is our base. The formula that we use for this, base equals the new number 1 plus or minus the rate. All right. Next problem. 80% is, okay, that's our new number again, 20% less than what number? Okay, now it's saying what number is. Okay, what number is, that's our new number, 40% less than 75. 75 is our base number. 45 increased by 30%, okay, so 45 is our base, is what number? That is our in. Okay. How much is 220 increased by 60%? This is means that that's our new number, and that 220 then must be our base. How much is, okay, so once again we're looking for our new number, and 1750 is our base. Now they're saying what amount is. Well, what amount is still asking for the new number. 33 1/3% less than 399, which is our base. Okay, so we have the formula for base. Now what's the formula for n? Formula for n is the base 1 plus or minus the rate. Okay, so we have the two formulas that we're going to use for this whole work. Let's go ahead and try it. And we're just going to go ahead and use one or two colors. Let's start with finding the base or the original number. So B is the new number over 20% more than. Okay, so 1 plus 20%. Okay, so we'll get out our calculator. 75, 1 plus 20%, and we get that our base number is 62.5. Okay, next question. 80% is 20% less than what number? So our base number, 80, 1 minus 20%. 80, 1 minus 20%. And we get that's 100. Okay, so now the next one, we're going to be finding all new numbers. What number is 40% less than 75? So 75 is our B. 40% less. So because it's less, it's going to be subtraction. 75, open parentheses, 1 minus 40%. And we get that the answer is 45. Please remember to keep your parentheses and to put this percent symbol. If you don't do either one of these, the whole problem will be wrong. 45 increased by 30%, so increased by is our plus. So the new number, 45, increased by 30%. Okay. 45, open your parentheses, 1 plus 30% is 58.5. How much is 220 increased by 60%? So the new number, 220, increased by 60%. 220 increased by 60% is 352. How much is 1750 decreased by 35%? So 1,750 decreased by 35%. Oops. Hit the SD button and we get 11,350. And now the last one's a little bit difficult because you've got this 1/3, and I'm going to show you what to do with that. What amount is 33 1/3% less than 399? 1 minus 33 1/3%. Okay, so to put this in the calculator, you're actually going to be doing a mixed fraction symbol. So 399, open parentheses, 1 minus. Now you see that this is the button we hit for fraction. We're going to do shift and that button again, and that makes it into a mixed number. 33, 1/3, and at the end of it we're going to put percent and close our fraction, close our parentheses. And we get that the answer is 266.